9 passive income ideas that earn $1,000 plus per month. Yes, it is possible. To know details, just watch this video first to last to be surprised. To get more this related video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start it. As an entrepreneur and educator, I am very passionate about creating and teaching others about passive income. I think it's so important that we learn how to work smarter, not harder, and that we also figure out how to earn more while working less. The different ideas I am going to share with you will help you to exactly that. If you happen to be new to passive income and want to learn more about how it works, make sure to watch this video first to last. Let's start it. To know about 9 passive income ideas that earn $1,000 plus month. Number 1. Start a membership website. This is a private site that you regularly add new content to. For people to access that content, they have to subscribe to the website. Oftentimes there is content that people can access for free to give them a taste of what is available, but to get additional content or the premium content they need to pay a monthly membership fee. Depending on what your membership site is about, what it offers to its members, and how premium the content is, you can charge different amounts. The range can be anywhere from $5 to $300 per month. One fantastic thing about a membership site is that it creates that recurring revenue month after month, and you don't have to necessarily do anything additional to maintain it. With this being said, some of the best membership sites do add new content every month. It all really depends on how you structure your website and whether you decide to create and schedule your content. Breakdown. Number 2. Start a YouTube channel. Once you create a YouTube channel, you can allow YouTube to run ads on your videos. These are the ads that you see playing video, the ads in the column on the right hand side or below the video. If someone clicks on the ads, then the YouTube creator gets half of the money that the business paid to run the ad. Keep in mind that different channels earn different amounts depending on their niche. For some perspective, my channel earning regularly, I want to show you the breakdown. Number 3. Write a book. Writing a book isn't my favorite way to make passive income because it doesn't have as much profit potential as many other methods. However, it does have some other benefits, including the ability to help you reach other goals and advance your career. To know details about the earning monthly, you can see my approximate breakdown. Number 4. Create a lead gen website for service business. With this option, you would work with another business that was offering a service or a premium product to their customers. You would create a website of your own, which would essentially be an advertisement for your partner's business. Your website provides prospective customers with some free resources or potentially the opportunity to book a free consultation call. You would then drive traffic to that website so you can get leads for the company that you are working with. Afterward, the company would pay you for the leads. To know the monthly income, you can see my breakdown. Number 5. Join the Amazon Affiliate Program. You can get a cut of Amazon's profit by joining their affiliate program. After the quick sign-up process, you can share your affiliate links with people who you think would be interested in purchasing certain products. You are then paid a commission of 4 to 8% of the sale price. The more products your prospects buy on Amazon, the higher the affiliate commission is. One of my favorite things about Amazon's affiliate program is that even if someone clicks on a link and doesn't buy what you recommend, you can still earn an affiliate commission if they purchase anything from Amazon within the next 24 hours. Keep in mind that to earn enough affiliate income to make $1,000, you need to do an excellent job in recommending products to people who want to buy them. To know about details, you can see my breakdown. Number 6. Market a niche affiliate opportunity. Instead of making a small commission on a lot of products with Amazon affiliates, you can instead choose one premium product, usually a digital product, and to focus on marketing. You can start a YouTube channel or blog based around that product or topics. That's building an email list or promote it on a social media platform. Your goal is to build an audience that will be interested in the product and who trust you to buy, so that they feel free to purchase the digital product you are recommending. You can see my breakdown. Number 7. Create an online course. Creating a course is another great opportunity to generate passive income. You can sell it on your website or on a third-party platform. Each option has advantages and challenges. If you sell on your own site, then you keep 100% of the profits but have to drive traffic to generate sales. Otherwise, if you sell your course on the third-party program or platforms such as Udemy or Skillshare, finding customers is much easier, but you won't earn nearly as much per sale. When you sell on your website, you can charge much higher prices. Courses typically sell for $100 to upwards to $5,000 plus. Your price is dependent on what your course is about, what value it gives to the students, and how well you market it. On a third-party platform, courses typically run between $10 to $100, and you can earn around 50% commission of the sale price. However, you can see my breakdown. Just see my breakdown. Number 8. Invest in real estate. I have owned several rental properties in the past, and in my area it is typical to earn about $250 of profit per month per rental, but of course there are plenty of things that can throw off that average. At first glance, it might look like the other ideas above are better than investing in rental real estate because the risk to reward ratio is a bit sick. Fortunately, some benefits you can take into consideration are that you can build equity in a property that could also be appreciating in value at the same time. However, you can see my breakdown. Number 9. Rent out a room in your house. You can rent a room of your house through a website such as Airbnb. This is a great option if you have extra space in your house and you don't mind the company. In addition, you can even consider renting your entire home if you travel a lot, whether it be for business or vacation. Renting a room can range anywhere between $25 to $200 per night depending on the location and where you live. Wherever you can see my breakdown. Are you thinking about starting your own business this year? I put together a free video training series to teach you everything you need to know. Okay friends, for more information about passive income, you can follow my channel. If you have any question, you can inbox me or comments in my video. If you like this video, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks again. Bye bye.